Hey, hi ladies, I'm finally gonna do the Oreo collection makeup tutorial. So these are all the products that I bought from them. I have small hands, I don't know how to fit all this, but again, look, all of these that I'm saying. Oh yeah, remember when they sent me the brushes? They finally sent them to me yesterday. And oh my gosh, so pretty. So I bought more stuff from this collection than the main collection, so I'm excited. So, and like the other tutorial, I'm not gonna wash it because I don't have time, and it's gonna wait like 2-3 days for it to dry. So I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna use it like this. Okay, so finally I'm gonna use the eyeshadow, and this is how it looks. Wow. So I'm gonna go with this shade for my crease. Oh snap, let me open the brushes first. And I'm gonna try not to take so long like the last tutorial. So their brushes are different than the other mint collection. This one's way smaller. No, this one's way smaller. This one's wow, this is interesting. So I'm gonna use this one for the crease. Look, wow. Okay. I feel like this shade is lighter than the others palette from the main collection, but it looks the same here. I don't know. This one feels like it's less pigmented, or it's the brush. I don't know. And this one feels smaller and thicker. I don't know. I'm tripping out. But yeah, these are longer and skinnier, and these are shorter and thick. Yeah, no wonder they feel weird. So, wow. Okay, next I'm gonna go with this baby blue shade. They don't have a little brush for the collection, so I'm just gonna use the Just a Beauty brush. Oh, it's a pretty blue, so I'm just gonna put it on my inner corner. Okay, it's not as pigmented, but it's a pretty blue. It's not pigmented. The other collection feel more pigmented, or it's just me? What? I don't know. It's not picking up as much. I guess. Okay, now I'm gonna use the blue shimmer shade. Oops, I dug my finger in that. So this shimmer. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the center. It's not as pigmented. Okay, you can see it now. It's pretty, but I just need a lot of layering. I need a setting spray. No, like I wish it was more pigmented. Like the Shadow Mint collection, it was more pigmented. You can really see. Okay, now I'm gonna use this blue. Let's see how this one works. This one's more pigmented for sure. It's not giving as much, to be honest, but it's there. I don't know why this formula is different, or it's not as, or it's a color combination. I don't know, something about it is not looking cute. Okay, so finally I'm gonna use this one for my outer crease. I don't know if I want to use the brown or the black. It's hard. I guess I'm gonna start with this brown first. Okay, let's see. Wow. The style of brush is making it hard to blend. I don't know if it's the size or the texture. It's very difficult. But I'm trying my best. The other brushes were better and the formula. I don't know why this collection is not as good. And this is new. This is from the beginning of this year, I think. The other one was from last year. I don't know if they changed the formula, but it's not giving. Ew. Not ill, but you see, it's that little white patch is not adding color. I don't know why it's like removing the shadow. I don't know, it's weird. Okay, now it's building up now. What? It's probably the brush. I don't know. How is this not as good as I'm surprised. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna use this brush for the bottom crease, but I'm also gonna use it for the lid. I mean, inner corner maybe. I'm gonna try the white and see if it's pigmented. Oh yeah, this the brush skinny. Okay, trying to use this as a highlight of it. Okay, it's not as pigmented, but it's not as good. But it's hard to have super pigmented white shadows for drugstore, so that's fine. It's whatever. It's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna apply the black. Or yeah, let me see. It's like a shimmer with blue iridescent sparkles on top. You can barely see the blue sparkles. It's not noticeable. Anyway, so now I'm gonna use like a lighter brown shade right here to blend it in. So I'm gonna use a different brush. So this one, I'm gonna use this brown. Okay. It's alright. I don't know, I think I put so much black here. I forgot I had to use one of these for the waterline. This is the white one and the blue one. So I don't know, I think I'm just gonna use the blue one. This is in the shade Chill Zone. So it looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, so wow, it's a pretty blue. I hope it's just as creamy and pigmented as the other men. So I'm gonna put it in my waterline. So no, you see, it's not as pigmented and creamy. And you can see it now, but it's not like the other, like it's mirrored all over. Maybe because, oh, in the last video I did put men's shadow first. Maybe that's why. But still, I don't know. You see, you can barely see it. I don't know. I use all the shadows except this white, beige, creamy shimmer shade. So, I don't know if I like it. So I'm gonna use the Putty Primer and their Beauty Sponge. So I'm gonna use foundation for this look. So I'm gonna open this Putty Primer Everyone likes their pretty primers. I don't know why, and I hope it works because everything looks cakey on me. That's why I don't wear foundation. I don't like wearing it. So cute. I just want to eat it. Okay. So it smells really good. I don't know how to wear this. I don't know how to use this. Oops, I got too excited. It's very creamy. I don't know how to use this. Let me Google it. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do the side first. I guess I'm just gonna rub it in my face. I don't know what to do. I have pores here in my nose. That's where I really have a lot of pores because of my blackheads and like a little bit here. So, wow, it smells really good. Put some a little bit here, a little bit here. It's creamy and moisturizing. Okay. But I can still see my pores. I don't notice anything. Maybe under the base. So I don't use primers, so I don't know how to use them. So it's interesting. So my skin is not reacting at all, and it's amazing. Okay, I'm liking this. I think you're supposed to rub it in like cream. I don't know how to use primer. Or let alone putty primer. I don't even know. You're supposed to pat it in like that. It feels a little tacky now. It doesn't really feel tacky. It's just like moisturizer. I guess I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and then I guess use this. This foundation made me look very cakey, so let's see how it looks with this primer underneath. So yeah. Oh, and then I'm gonna finish this side first. Okay, so my freaking ring light turned off, so I let my charger cool because I have to plug in my ring light with the USB port, not for your iPhone, the freaking charger, whatever. And then I did this side, and then I was getting distracted, and oh my gosh, so my freaking primer doesn't feel tacky anymore because it took too long anyways. So I guess I'm gonna put a little bit more, and then I'm gonna use this sponge, so I'm gonna open it. So it's very pretty. I don't want to use it, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna use this foundation, so I think I'm gonna put a little bit more, so like I use a lot, it's cream. So I'm gonna put foundation. Okay, I don't want to put too much, so I'm gonna blend my foundation. And I didn't damp it because I want to test it out without damping it first. It smells good, so I think it's doing a great job. Okay. Should have put a hair clip first. So this is where I have the most pores in my nose, so that's what I'm trying to hide. Okay, you can still see the pores. I don't notice a huge difference at all. Look, it's getting in my hair. Okay, I just put a small layer of foundation, and And it's not looking really cakey right now, so that's good. And then, but you can still see imperfections and all that. I did a pale. Anyways. Oh, I can still smell the freaking primer. Wow, it smells really good. So now my sponge looks orange. Yeah, I wanted to look white forever. Oh. Okay, so what else? So the next thing, I think is the last thing, is their lip gloss. So this is the white lip gloss that has little black spots, so it looks cool. This is in the shade True Creme Cone. I don't know, where's the name? Cream Control, I don't freaking know. So I guess I'm gonna line my lips with, I don't know, I keep forgetting something. I'm gonna put blush or contour. So the lip gloss looks is very, oops, it's weird. Oh, it's just clear. Which sparkles. This one's good. Wow. So I don't want to get my wand dirty, so I'm gonna use a separate brush. This is a bad brush for this. I have a cool brush, maybe this one. So let me apply it like this. Okay, let's see how it looks. It's pretty white. It looks like something like milk. Okay, let me put it up. It's like clear lip gloss, you can't see anything, and it's blending with the brown. It's very noticeable. I can't see any white, it's just clear. It's a simple gloss. I rate this 3 out of 5 stars. I really didn't like this collection. You can tell by my face. I'm not really excited for this look. It's alright, it's cute, but it's not giving like the men collection. So I don't really recommend it as much. And my face is still very poor. You can still see my pores. You can still see my little hairs. I need to shave that. Anyways. You can see a little bit of my dryness, cakiness. It's not super dry or cakey, so that's good, but it's because I applied a very small layer. The lip gloss is not really white, it's clear. What else? The shadows were not really pigmented. This blue shade, I didn't use this, but the blue version wasn't super pigmented like the one. This was nice. What else did I try? I think that's all. Well, the brushes, I didn't like the brushes. It was hard to use because they were short and it felt kind of awkward on my hand, and I have small hands. It's weird to say, right? And then this style of freaking brush was too thick and short. Like, it was harder to blend for the outer crease. I don't think this is made for that. I don't know, it is, but no. Maybe because I have small hooded eyes. If you have big eyes, it will work better for you. So I don't know. If it was smaller like this and longer and skinnier, it's easier to use. And these are more soft and fluffier, and these are more thick. They're soft when it's not the same brush formula. I don't know how to say this freaking texture. I don't know. I don't really like this that much, but I guess so. I'm just. Oh yeah, this is a close-up. It's pretty, but it's not super pigmented. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna leave now. Thank you for watching. Bye.